at the top. I've seen that before, but you have to click into the stream to do a push alert, correct? From the stream.
Yeah, once you're already
Once
in
you're
the stream.
perfect, okay.
So we are live. It is streaming on Facebook, so we're moving quickly now. Ask for questions on Facebook, please.
Okay.
Storm alert. We're tracking.
So it's
And then just reiterate that it's tomorrow. That's
right,
tomorrow.
right, perfect.
Okay, send it all. Take off this picture. Send that push alert. And then I've noticed push alerts can take a while. Stand by. Once it hits my phone,
All right. Hi, everybody on YouTube and 5 Plus, and what else do we have? Instagram, and I'm missing one. 5 Plus and 5 on your side. Yeah, on Facebook. All right. So if you have any questions on Facebook, we'll take those eventually. I just wanted to point out we have a storm alert again tomorrow, not today. So again, that's tomorrow. Yesterday we had that potential of storms. So let's go through what happened yesterday first. So there were 17 tornadoes, and they were not really that far away from us, but we really lucked out here. Had some damage from wind and also some hail west of St. Louis. I'll show you that coming up. But those tornadoes, 17 of them from northern Missouri all the way into Iowa and even back into Nebraska. We'll go ahead and take this full here so I can go through all these maps and show you that. So as I merge this, put this together here, we're going to show you also the other storm reports of mainly wind damage and that hail that was numerous across the Midwest. But in our area, let's just zoom in there, anywhere from western portions Franklin County, a little bit of hail there, also around the Wentzville area, Troy, and a little bit of damage also around Truxton from some straight line wind or maybe a microburst there. But we did not have any tornado damage or any big issues with tornadoes or spinning thunderstorms yesterday. And right now it's just beautiful. It's just stunning. What a great day. In fact, dew points are dropping. So those have to recover tomorrow for that chance of severe weather, and it'll likely do so. But current temperatures right now, enjoy this day. We're in the 70s and a little bit breezy, gusty. There's that 49-degree dew point. And of course, current wind speeds and gust out there. It's going to continue gusty. Some of the gusts as high as 35 miles an hour today. And today's forecast, sunshine. No worries of any storms at all. Enjoy that, and low 80s around the St. Louis area. A little bit cooler north and east. So we did have a front move through here, and you can see out ahead of that showers and storms in Indiana. So again, it's out ahead of that front. So where's that next piece of energy coming from? So today we're good. We're very clear all the way back to Kansas City. And then you look at the upper level winds here, and that piece of energy is around Billings, Montana, Calgary, and Canada. And eventually it moves southeastward. So we're watching this batch of moisture moving in from the south. And then, of course, that energy is coming in from the north west and moving southeast. So here's that futurecast, just using the graph here at about noon on Thursday. It just shows a good indication of what is likely to happen. So a line of showers and storms in here. Some could be strong or severe. And here's 3 o'clock in the afternoon right through St. Louis. Again, the timing on this could change a little bit. But the main threats from this, again, a low tornado risk. Doesn't look like a super outbreak of tornadoes, but we are in a slight risk. So that means level 2 out of 5. So again, when you get enhanced, which would be orange, that's more numerous severe storms. And above that, likely a lot more severe weather. So when you're in a 2, it's more scattered severe weather. Green is isolated. So still watching for that low potential of tornadoes. Large hail and damaging wind gusts will be the main threats on that. Timing for tomorrow on this. Again, if you have any questions, Facebook, just ask us. But the timing, we're just watching 1 o'clock till 7 p.m. It does look like once we get past the evening hours, things will really calm down and move on to the east. It's a very fast-moving system coming from the northwest and moving southeast through the area. So some uncertainty. Of course, if we get any thunderstorm activity in the morning hours, we have less instability in the afternoon and that chance of seeing less in the way of severe weather. So we're in a slight risk, level 2, for tomorrow afternoon. Not today, but tomorrow. So let's go into the forecast, and then we'll take some questions too. Tonight's lows really nice in the 50s, and there's that storm alert. We're going to begin that in the afternoon, noontime all the way through the early evening hours, low 80s for highs. Once that cold front comes through here, look what happens to our weekend forecast. Boy, it's back to going from air conditioning and kind of humid to very cool and breezy as we get into the weekend forecast. But at least the air is stable and the thunderstorm risk will be gone. All right, so do you have any questions coming in from Facebook?
What kind of ingredients make up a severe risk?
All right, so the ingredients that we're looking for, so the upper level winds, and also you need that moisture. So the dew points are going down today. We're expecting the dew points to rise back up again out ahead of that system. It kind of pulls in that Gulf of Mexico moisture. So we'll watch, excuse me, that moisture move in tomorrow. And stability, you need the instability. Like I said, if you get those thunderstorms in the morning, you'll have less stable, not as unstable air, that's what I'm saying, in the afternoon hours. So then you'll see more severe weather if you have increased instability in the afternoon. So that's something we'll be watching tomorrow.
Is there a difference between this system and the system that happened yesterday?
Yeah, is there a difference? So the question is there a difference between yesterday's system and this system? It does look like there's less of a risk of tornadoes. It's not zero coming in tomorrow, but it's a low risk of any spin-up tornadoes in the area. And so it'll be very isolated if that happens, and we are hoping that it does not. But again, have several ways to get your warnings, and we'll keep you posted as tomorrow unfolds. Again, I'd say after noontime all the way through the evening hours is the timing on that. All right, that is it for now. Thanks for joining us, and have a fantastic day.